Welcome to my dream house. I will show you my dream house. My mother and father made it for me. I will first show you my ground floor. My name is Oishani Ghosh. Here is my kitchen. Here I have put some utensils in here. I have also put, there is the sink, and here is I put some utensil over here too. Here is the dishwasher, and here I also put utensils. Here also I put here cups, and here is a drawer, and here is the oven. It can make sound, and it also light up with red light. It stops automatically. And here is my dining room. I put it here some stuffs like iron, guitar and helicopter. And here is the calendar of 2012. And here is my doll. I here put some foods and other stuffs in the dining room. And now here I could show my refrigerator. I put here some eggs, a little aquaguards, and some burger, pizza, sausage, paneer, cheesy, egg fry. Here. And here is my deep freezer. I put here fish, ice creams, and chicken. And here is a window. Here is a window. And here is some chairs. And here is a cushion, so everyone can sit. And here is an apron over here. So when everyone cooks, they will wear it. And here I have put some stuffs like sewing machine. I made it. My grandfather helped me to cut this thermocol, and I made it myself this wheel. And here is some sanitizer, masks, and some other stuffs like first aid box, barbecue, and sanitizer spray. Now we'll go to the next floor. Here I have put in my very big bed my mother made. And here is some tissue papers in here. And here is Rapunzel and Anya sitting in the bed. And Rapunzel's here you can see is very big, and here is a smart TV in here. And here is my doll's doll, and here is Elsa on a picture. Here is some strawberry decoration and other stuff like flower pot. Here I have put some things in here like this, the remote of the TV, and the mosquito bat, anything. I've put it in this hole. I have put in here AC and a little window to watch. Here is an eye mask. Here's my eye mask when everyone sleeps. And here is a water bottle. And here is a book, comic. And here is a teddy and other stuff. And now I will show you Shadow. It's my doll's pet dog. Now I will go to the bathroom. Here is the bathroom. I have a bathtub. Here is a hand shower, and here is a little head shower. Here is curtain, so everyone baths in the shower. They will put on this curtain, and when everyone comes out, they will just open this curtain and come out and put this curtain close. And here I made a geyser with thermocol and oil paint. My grandfather cut these for me, these thermocols. And here I have put a towel, some brushes. My mother made it for me. And here other stuff. Here is some shampoo, face wash, oil in here, oil, toothpaste, and a little floaty in here. And one is bathing I've put, and I have a duck and a toilet. So my dolls can do toilet in here. And now I will go to the here. And now I will go to the highest level. Here is my TV, another TV, and here is this very nice and soft sofa with cushions, 3 cushions, 1, 2, and here in this corner 3. And I have a comic here. I have some headphones and other stuff, hat, Chinese checker, and here I have put some toys for my dogs, a tablet, a Taj Mahal, and a little boat, and here is a little chair. And now I will go to here. Here I have put another AC, and here is an almirah, and here I have study room and laptop here, and some pencils, some paperweight, and a book, and mobile, erasers, and other stuffs like books, sticky notes, and other stuff. And here is a bookshelf. In here I have put lots of books, and here is a little comic, and here is a mobile and newspaper and alarm. Now I will remove it to show you in what I have put in my almirah. Here I have put some little dress. The big dress did not fit here, so I have put a little dress and other stuffs in here, and money I have put in here. In this locker I have put money and some mirrors. Here I have put some other stuffs and clips and other stuff. Now I will close this. Now I will show you in the bottom what I have. In the bottom I have some other stuff like clip, hair dryer, and now I have here a big comb. And in here I have a synthesizer. It's like a piano but a little bit of flat. Here I have put some hairsprays and a little bag and some clothes. Here I have put the big clothes. Here a luggage, sketch pens, colorful sketch pens, and some glue, sellotapes, sponge paper, and other stuffs. Here I have put my mirror, some luggage, and my smiley bag. And here I have put a hat. Here I have put also a hat. And here I have put some clothes and other stuff. Okay, now let's go to the highest level. Here is the roof, and here is a 500 liters Paton tank I have put in here, so my dolls can drink water. And here is just a clear floor to roam around, play, jump, and run here. Now I will go to the garden. Here is my garden. Here I have put a swimming pool and a slide to climb out and slide down in the pool. And now I will go here. Here I have put some shoe. Here is the shoe rack, and here is a dustbin. It says use me, and here's some brushes and other stuff. And here is the elevator. I get this up, holding it, and then it goes down straight like this. I put my elevator here, and now I will go to my garden. My garden has some birds. One name is Juicy and one name is Mango. I have give here some food, and here is some plants I have kept here. This plant is growing, but this plant is perfectly grown. And here is a football, so my dolls can play. And here is I have put some sand, kinetic sand, so my dolls can play in here. And here I have put some rocks, seashells, and you can see here is the staircase of the slide. And now we'll go to my garage. Here I have made my car with my father for my dolls. Here I have put some glass. Here I have put steering, some music systems, and here my dolls sit. And one doll can put their head up here and stand in here. I have got this bicycle. This paddle can move, and it can. And there is my umbrella, and there's my umbrellas, and here is my big refrigerator. Of course, it's not for my dolls, it's for me. When I set up any hotel, I put something in my refrigerator. I will open for you. Here I've put pizza, burger, and other things, other stuffs. Fish, chow mein, fruits in the down, sweets in the down, and I've put so many things in the fridge. Now we'll close it. I've put here some stickers, and now we'll go up in the refrigerator. Here I have a makeup set, a telephone, it can ring too. And here I've got some play money and some other stuffs. Play money. And here I've got spinner and other stuffs and some shells. Bye bye. See you soon.